Our B6030 baler produces an industry-standard bale of 60 by 30 by 48 inch. Compact various types of waste. Cardboard, shredded paper, paper sacks, newspapers, dry soft plastic. This baler is used in many industries: grocery stores, home improvement stores, industrial companies, distribution centres. With the cylinders lowered, the baler fits standing through an 8-foot dock door. The B6030 has a large feed opening. Most large boxes fit without folding. Efficient retainers keep down the waste material. The low noise level ensures an optimum working environment. The baler has a full bale indicator light. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. The baler comes standard with an automatic ejection system. Now all waste has been compressed, and you can tie off the finished bale. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. Tie off the bale with either strapping or steel wires. You eject the bale by a safe, two-handed operation. The baler comes with a GSM solution. A message is sent to the operator when a bale is ready. A message is sent to the collection company when bales are ready for pickup. A message is sent to the local service company when service is required. A digital auto lock is designed to prevent unauthorized users from operating the baler.